Hi, I was on a 30-day road trip, and on October 22nd, 2024, I was driving south through the town of Junction, Utah, where I came across this vintage gas station. I had to stop because I love to photograph these old relics. Many still exist, but usually they are repurposed and you don't get to see them in their original state. On the inside, there is an old vintage bird cage, and while it may be hard to see, there's also an old light fixture hanging from the ceiling. Over on the side, you can see inside what must have been a restroom and a mechanical room for perhaps a water heater and possibly some type of furnace. Back in the day, many heaters were fueled with oil, but I'm unable to determine such details. In searching on the internet, I found a website for the gas station, and it's known as Joy Station. Joy as in Joy. I'll put a link to the website in the description. A couple purchased the site a while back, and they decided to restore the gas station. And if you look closely in the video, you can see signs of work being done. But it also looks like the project has been abandoned because there has been little progress to the place, and from what I can tell, it's been maybe 2 years since any work has been done. But if you're going through Junction, Utah on Highway 89, you might want to stop and check out this little piece of nostalgic history. As always, thanks for watching, and I hope you will want to see where my camera takes me next time.